Hello, good afternoon. As you can see, narito po sa aming likuran or sa aming tabi ang Kananggahanong Matahom from District 1, no? Kung yes, from Kananggawan. Kung mapapansin niyo, halatang nag-iinsayo, yes, ready.
Sila para sa kayong partisipasyon at ang lahat ng ginawa nilang pag-iinsayo ay magbubuka. Makikita na po natin ngayon dahil ito po ang gaganapin na po ngayon ang pangalawang Kaanyag Festival ng Kanangga Leyte.
Yes, na kung saan kami po ang defending champion. So good luck and God bless everyone. Thank you.
Hello, maanyag na hapon kaninyong tanan. This is Irish Ramos and I'll be hosting the grand finale ritual dance showdown of Kanangga Kaanyag Festival on its second year. I was also the one hosting it next year, so I'm expecting it to be grander than it used to be. I'm expecting a more variety in terms of dance, in rituals, because I heard that it's not only Kananggahanons who are welcome to join the ritual dance competition, but also those coming from other parts of Leyte.
Hello everyone, this is your Miss Universe Philippines Leyte, Engineer Angel Rose Campotambal. So right now, naimbitahan po tayo dito sa second Kanangga Kaanyag Festival here in the one and only Kanangga Leyte. I'm very excited kasi first time ko mapunta dito and I just can't wait the festivities that are going to be happening later on, and I'm just so excited to see how vibrant the culture here in Kanangga as well. And naging open sila right now, tama ba sir? Naging open sila sa naging open competition where they invited different festivals from Tacloban, from Leyte, and from Ormoc City, I believe. So I'm just so excited to see what's going to happen later on, and let's find out and let's watch.
Good afternoon to all. Nice to see all of you again. For Judges Vince, Junjun, everyone else. No, so and my friends right there. Yes, what does this mean? Well, for today at least, I can say that this will be this festival will definitely be better than last year, since we opened up to our neighboring towns and municipalities, and hopefully by next year, since it's a milestone year, it's our 75th what do you call this, foundation day. So that's Kanangga will officially turn 75 years old next year. So we have 6 contingents now, maybe. Kailangan 75 amo contingents next year, so we need 69 more. I'm just kidding. No, I mean, an idea that is 6. No, so I'm thankful to the LGUs of Leyte, Tacloban and Ormoc who sent contingents here to join our open category. So I think this will be the same format next year. We'll have how do you say it? If it's not open, local category, right? Local category, then there will be an open category also next year, and hopefully more towns will join. Because our format here is they will be bringing their festival also here, meaning they don't have to adapt the whole festival song. So it will be their festival, like Ormoc has Piña, they do Piña routine. The last 2 minutes, they'll incorporate our festival song, our Kanangga Kaanyag song. No, so that's what it means. We're opening up to our neighbors, so hopefully, more will join next year. 69 more para 75.
Actually, I don't want to compare. Kasi nandito ako from Sinulog. So more on na lang history na lang ng Kanangga Kaanyag Festival. It's actually a celebration of flavor, fragrance, beauty, and bounty. There are 2 legends kasi about the Kanangga municipality. First is merong beautiful woman named Angga na nagsisell ng tuba way back, and she was really famous. So a lot of people are going to her store. Ang name ng store niya ay Angga. So, when everyone, Sunday may pinakamasarap na tuba. And then the people here would say, doon kay Kan Angga. That's why Kan Angga. And another legend is that may mga Spaniards daw that who visited Kananga, the place here, wala pa siyang pangalan before, and then when they arrived here, they were enchanted. Yung parang na ano sila, na mesmerize sila, hindi lang sa ganda, but at the same time sa amoy. Kasi yung naaamoy nila at that time is similar to the perfume na famous back then, yung Agua Cananga. Incidentally, ito ay made from ilang-ilang extract. So, kaya Agua Cananga, como Agua Cananga, naging Kananga. Kananga. So, yung Kananga were pertaining not only with the people, but also with the place. That's why Kananga Kaanyag Festival. Ano ang similarity na lang, and with others, it's a social and social-religious pinagsama namin, but more on social-cultural yung festival ng Kananga Kaanyag. No comparison, but I just want you to enjoy. Di ba, Sir Victor? Kasi sila Sir Victor, sila Sir Junjet, and Sir Vince are the one na kasama namin during the festival management. And there are our mga mentors namin when it comes to festival. So we learn from the best.